Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet ladies overcoat designs model for winter season. Let's start the video. Crochet ladies overcoat design for winter refers to stylish, warm and layered crochet garments made especially to wear over clothes during cold weather. These coats are usually thicker, longer, and more structured than regular crochet cardigans, giving both comfort and elegance in winter. Styling ideas: pair with denim or warm leggings. Add a crochet scarf or beret. Or winter boots for a chic cozy look. Earthy and neutral shades look timeless: cream, beige, gray, forest green, and brown. Here are more helpful tips for designing and styling crochet ladies' winter overcoats. Design and construction tips. Crochet study stitches like waffle stitch, basket weave, herringbone half double crochet, front and back post double crochet for ribbing. These stitches make the cover thicker, warmer, and more professional looking. Add chipped cuffs and hem. Helps coat keeps in shape. Stop sleeves and bottoms from stretching out. Consider adding a lining. Use fleece or soft cotton fabric. Make coat warmer, stronger, and comfortable against skin. Use panels for structured typical coat pieces, like back panel to front panel sleeves. Optional collars or hood. Sew together for a neat tailoring. Reinforce button plackets. Add a tight stitch band or ribbed strip so buttons sit well and don't stress. Style enhancing tips. Add delicate touches, big wooden or metal buttons, fox fur collar or cuffs, waist belt to create feminine shape, pockets for cozy winter feel. Color combination: try cream plus gold buttons, charcoal plus black trim, navy plus brush buttons, brown plus cream shaped border. Crochet skill tips: always check how helps coat fit properly and not become too loose or tight. Block lightly steam block panels before sewing, gives a polished shape. Add shoulder shaping, use decreases around shoulder area to avoid bulky look. Tie top-down designs great for adjusting size while crocheting. Winter fashion styling: pair your crochet overcoat with tailnecks, old skirt plus tights, long boards or ankle boards, knit scarf plus crochet penny set, minimal gold or pearl jewelry for elegant winter style. Creative design ideas: mix stitches for texture drama instead of on-stitch blend. Waffle plus strip stitch borders. Use moss stitch plus cable panels. Herringbone plus granny straps inside. This creates a designer pocket fill. Add statement collars, creative collar styles. Oversized shawl collars. Use turtleneck fold collar or hood with fun trim. Makes your coat look high fashion winter wear. Creative sleeves designs: experiment with balloon sleeves with tight cuff, bell sleeves, richer look, string tailored sleeves for classic, and chip cuffs for luxury finishes. Pockets with personality. Chai cable stitch pockets. Foxfur tucked pockets. Contrast color pockets. Deep side shape pockets for elegance. Finishing touch magic. Buttons at ears. Use big winter suit patterns. Also use pearl patterns. Another metal coat patterns. Handmade crochet buttons. Buttons can transform simple into premium look. Belt and type variations. White crochet belt. Use beaded wool belt. Also velvet shaped belt. And use fox leather belt as your wish. Add lining or soft inside trim, thin fleece inside, stain inside neck and cuffs. Cotton fabric lining for clean shape gives professional tailoring finish. Creative construction techniques. Side panels for shaping instead of a straight rectangle coat. Add side panels to give curves without shaping too much. Sleeve patchwork trends. Patchwork sleeves or multi-texture sleeves are very trendy in winter fashion. Example: waffle body, herringbone sleeves. Signature style elements. Add one unique signature detail so your coats become recognizable. Signature flower effects. Sand embroidered monogram. Fabric plus crochet mix. Lace border inside cups. This creates a designer identity. Mood and theme ideas. Try seasonal themes. Rustic cottons, winter coat. Use minimal modern Scandinavian coat. Royal vintage winter coat. Epic Persian street style coat. Cozy boho winter coat. Use double strand techniques. Crochet with 2 yarn strands together for extra warmth. Fast stitching. Thick designer fill. Try mixing 2 shades of same color for a marbled winter effect. Try burst yarn finish after completing the coat. Gently burst the surface, soft brush to create a fox knit, fuzzy with the texture. Looks like cashmere or angora. Finishing excellence. Steam block everything steam lightly. Makes stitch smooth. Coats hang beautifully and look store ready. I think today's ideas will help you. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!